80% of people will stay broke their whole lives. But you don't have to be one of them. Here's how to take control of your money, starting today. Financial management. Financial management is an important process in daily life that involves organizing, monitoring, and controlling personal or family finances. By managing money well, we can achieve short-term and long-term financial goals and reduce financial stress. Let's explore together some practical strategies to help you achieve financial stability and build a better future. Budgeting. First of all, let's start with the most basic: budgeting, or making a budget. Identify income, calculate expenses, set priorities, saving and investing. Apart from creating a budget, the next step in financial management is saving and investing your money. This helps you build wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Let's discuss it further. Emergency savings are an important first step. Allocate a portion of your income to a savings account that can be easily accessed for unexpected needs, such as medical expenses or sudden repairs. Investing is the key to long-term wealth growth. There are various types of investments you can consider, from mutual funds to property. Make sure to choose investments that suit your risk profile and financial goals. Reducing debt. Apart from creating a budget, the next step in financial management is saving and investing your money. This helps you build wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Let's discuss it further. Preparing emergency funds. An emergency fund is an important layer of protection in your financial management. These are reserve funds that you can access quickly to address emergencies or unexpected needs. By having an adequate emergency fund, you can handle emergencies like job loss or medical bills without having to rely on additional debt. This provides important peace of mind and financial stability. Improving financial education. Financial education is the key to successful financial management, both for yourself and for your family. Here are some ways to improve your understanding of finances. Conclusion. In this presentation, we have discussed various strategies to manage money wisely and achieve financial freedom. From budgeting to investing, from reducing debt to preparing for retirement, every step plays an important role in building your financial stability. Remember that financial management is not an end goal but a journey. With discipline, education, and financial awareness, you can manage your finances more effectively and achieve your financial goals. With good planning and the right steps, you can create a brighter and more stable financial future.